E come un treno in corsa, noi non ci fermiamo mai. Buon ascolto con la Do Stop 90 volume 52 a cura di Reny Jay.
What would it be, and would you call it to his face? If you were faced with him in all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? And yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just a slob like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. If God had a face, what would it look like, and would you want to see? If seeing meant that you would have to believe in things like heaven and in Jesus and the saints and all the prophets. And yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just a slob like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. He's trying to make his way home. Back up to heaven all alone. Nobody calling on the phone, except for the Pope maybe in Rome. Yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just a slob like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. Like a holy rolling stone, back up to heaven all alone. Just trying to make his way home. Nobody calling on the phone, except for the Pope maybe in Rome. I'm a big girl in a big world. It's not a big thing if you leave me, but I do feel that I do will miss you much. Miss you much. I can see the first leaf falling. It's all yellow and nice. It's so very cold outside. Like the way I'm feeling inside. I'm a big girl in a big world. It's not a big thing if you leave me, but I do feel that I do will miss you much. Miss you much. big, big thing if you leave me, but I do feel I will miss you much, miss you much.
Here it is, a groove slightly transformed, just a bit of a break from the norm. Just a little something to break the monotony of all that hardcore dance that has gotten to be a little bit out of control. It's cool to dance, but what about a groove that soothes and moves romance? Give me a soft, subtle mix, and if it ain't broke, then don't try to fix it. And think of the summers of the past. Adjust the bass and let the alpine blast. Pop in my CD and let me run a rhyme, and put your car on cruise and lay back, cause it's summertime. Out and it's sort of a buzz, but back then I didn't really know what it was. But now I see what happened is the way that people respond to summer madness. The weather is hot and girls are dressing less and checking out the fellas to tell them who's best. Riding around in your Jeep or your Benzos, or in your Nissan sitting on Lorenzo's. Back in Philly we be out in the park. A place called the Plateau is where everybody go. Guys out hunting and girls doing likewise, honking at the honey in front of you with the light eyes. She turn around and see what you beeping at. It's like the summer's a natural aphrodisiac, and with a pen and pad I compose this rhyme to hip you and to get you equipped for the summertime. Yet, hustle to the mall to get me a short set. Yeah, I got on sneaks, but I need a new pair, cause basketball courts in the summer got girls there. The temperature's about 88. Hop in the water plug, just for old time's sake. Break to your crib, change your clothes once more, cause you're invited to a barbecue that's starting at 4. Sitting with your friends as y'all reminisce about the days growing up and the first person you kiss. And as I think back, makes me wonder how the smell from a grill can spark up nostalgia. All the kids playing out front, little boys messing around with the girls playing double dutch, while the DJ spinning a tune as the old folks dance at your family reunion. Then 6 o'clock rolls around, you just finished wiping your car down. It's time to cruise, so you go to the summertime hangout. It looks like a car show. Everybody come looking real fine, fresh from the barbershop or fly from the beauty salon. Every moment frontin' and maxin', chillin' in the car, they spend all day waxin', leaning to the side, but you can't speed through 2 miles an hour, so everybody sees you. There's an air of love and of happiness, and this is the Fresh Prince's new definition of summer madness.
The man, them a rush me. Yes, Yes, I will for pretty boy, I want to love me. I need them love. Yes, I need them love. True, them know me sweet and me sexy. Everywhere me go, me say me ever ready. I need them love. Yes, I need them love. But I don't want somebody loving everybody. I need a shy guy, some kind of guy who'll only be mine. Oh Lord, mercy, mercy, mercy. The money me not the party, party, party. The whole of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just a follow me, follow me, follow me. Mercy, mercy, mercy. None of them no move me, move me, move me. Shiny fire when me want it, want it, want it. Only him can make me irate, irate, irate. Make man, me no want none of them. Me pick up my body, lick off my head top. Me no want none of them. Me no want none of them. Things I can't feel the shine man them. Want you feel me lover, me want you feel me friend. Till the very end, till the very end. But I don't want somebody loving everybody. Little shy guy, the kind of guy who'll only be mine. Oh Lord, mercy, mercy, mercy. The party, party, party. The whole of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just a follow me, follow me, follow me. And mercy, mercy, mercy. But none of them no move me, move me, move me. Shy guy, when you want it, want it, want it. Only you can make me irate, irate, irate. And mercy, 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 mercy. Come on, come on. I'm a set, I'm a set. Lord of His mercy. Shine man, me want hear you. Roll up your one inna the air, make me eyes you. If you want one of them, me no want see you. This one dedicated to all the shine man crew. Shine man, me want hear you. Roll up your one inna the air, make me eyes you. If you want one of them, me no want see you. This one dedicated to all the shine man crew. 'Cause I don't want somebody loving everybody. Need a shy guy, some kind of guy who'll only be mine. Oh Lord, mercy, mercy, mercy. Money, 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 party, party, party. The whole of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just a follow me, follow me, follow me. Mercy, mercy, mercy. But none of them no move me, move me, move me. Shy guy, when me want it, want it, want it. Only you can make me irate, irate, irate. Mercy, mercy, mercy. The money me like the party, party, party. The whole of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just a follow me, follow me, follow me. Mercy, mercy, mercy. None of them no move me, move me, move me. Shy guy, when me want it, want it, want it. Him can make me irate, irate, irate. Shaga, shaga, shaga. You think you did done? But me just a come. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. We not the party, party, party. And Kingsley, Kingsley, Kingsley. We just a jammy, 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 party, party, party. Mercy, mercy, mercy. The whole we not the party, party, party. We feeling irate, irate, irate. Let me stop, stop, stop.
I got the power to move ya. 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 Don't take it simple. Babylon get trampled. Them coulda big and bad. Have you ever seen love mad? It's not a big AK. It's not a nuclear bomb. The system tried to stop the power. No way they can. I got the power to move ya. 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 Now I say things happen just like that. When music play, who knows what step will drop? Can you feel it? It's creeping up on you. It's gonna get you before you know what to do. Turn you inside out, make you scream and shout. The vibe is building, crazy reggae rhythm. Catch you groove. Some people try to stick to what they know outside, acting like a program chip. We tell them freedom, I got the power to move you. 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 Seen love mad? You could have big and bad. Have you ever seen love mad? I got the power to move you. Move you. Come on, move you. We are gonna move you.
I walk up to the teller, I give her the letter. She gives me the loot with puckered up lips and a wink that I found cute. And I said, baby, 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 is there some karmic G-love thing happening here, baby, or what? By that time, fast at me with the 90, said it's time to blow, you know. So out the door we go, back to the ride. Steve inside and alive, and off we drive. See, I hurt my lower lumbar, you know we never get far riding around in a stolen police car. So we dropped it off and piled in the caddy. Steve was driving, cause I had to talk to my man.
Look, I don't know anything about any fucking setup. You can torture me all you want.
Torture you, that's a good idea. I like that one.
Running around, robbing banks, all whacked up with Scooby snacks. Running around, robbing banks, all whacked up with Scooby snacks.
Now I don't give a fuck about the Hell's Gate, ain't punking the crowd, man, I'm still standing up straight. So we pull these jobs, make a little money. No one gets hurt if they don't act funny. On the way to the yacht, we almost got caught. Fast shooting mailboxes, knowing where the cops is, yeah. They at the Dunkin' Donuts, adjacent from the Foreman's, whose mailbox fast had just exploded. They gave chase from our man Steve's and Ace, and we lost those brothers with haste. We cast it off, and along we went off Bermuda to an island resort we rented.
Sunshine, I need you cool. Are you cool? I am cool.
Running around, robbing banks, all whacked up with Scooby snacks. Running around, robbing banks, all whacked up with Scooby snacks. Running around, robbing banks, all whacked up with Scooby snacks. Running around, robbing banks, all whacked up with Scooby snacks.
Now sweetness, I wanna girl them love the best. I know some of them careless, you understand? Satisfaction guaranteed. I wanna know what the girl them need. On them ready? Have mercy.
Sweet, oh my sweet, sugar for my heart. Your first sweet kiss, from this soul. Sweet, oh my sweet, sugar for my heart. I'll never ever let you go.
Sweetness, look how the girl them a dress. All the man them a tell them impress. Niceness, how the girl them a wear. All the man them a say you gone clear. Sweetness, look how the girl them a dress. All the man them a tell them impress. Niceness, how the girl them a wear. All the man them a say you gone clear. Because me love how the girl them, love how the girl them whiny, whiny, whiny. Love how the girl them, love how the girl them, love how them a move them body. Follow me now, love how the girl them, love how the girl them jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Love how the girl them, love how the girl them. All of the girl follow me, follow me, follow me.
Sweet, oh my sweet, sugar for my heart. Your first sweet kiss, from this soul. Sweet, oh my sweet, sugar for my heart. I'll never ever let you go.
I'm sitting down in the north, south, east and west. All the girls them big up your chest. Make them know say you are the sweetest. Because you know say you deserve the best. Love me, love them straight to me heart. Make me feel good when we are walking. Nobody leave me, girl, nobody part. Because the sweetness just a get started. Sweetness, look how the girl them a dress. All the man them a say them impress. Niceness, how the girl them a wear. All the man them a say you gone clear. Sweetness, look how the girl them a dress. All the man them a say them impress. Niceness, how the girl them a wear. All the girl put your body in the air.
Sweet, oh my sweet, sugar for my heart. Your first sweet kiss, from this soul. Sweet, oh my sweet, sugar for my heart. I'll never
when the girl them a just all the man them a say them impressed. Niceness when the girl them a wear. All the man them a say you gone clear. Sweetness when the girl them a just all the man them a say them impressed. Niceness when the girl them a wear. All the girl put you on the ear.
Sweet, oh my sweet, sugar for my heart. Your first sweet kiss from me is all. Sweet, oh my sweet, sugar for my heart. I'll never ever let you go. Sweet, oh my sweet,
satisfaction of what's to come. I couldn't ask for another. No, I couldn't ask for another.
That's right.
Your groove, I do deeply dig. No walls, only the bridge. My supper dish, my succotash wish.
Sing it, baby.
I couldn't ask for another. No, I couldn't ask for another. Groove is in the heart. Groove is in the heart. Groove is in the heart.
That's the moment.
Groove is in the heart.
Watch out.
The depth of who the groove moves us to the nth hoop. We'll go through to what is who. I couldn't ask for another. No, I couldn't ask for another. DJ Soul was on a roll. I've been told he can't be sold. He's not vicious or malicious, just lovely and delicious. I couldn't ask for another.
Something lurks in this torso. Heart got a deal you wanna know. Delightful, truly delightful. Making it, doing it, especially at a show. Feeling kinda high like a Hendrix haze. Music makes motion moves like a maze. All inside of me, heart especially. Hilt of the rhythm, where I wanna be. Come on, flowing, glowing with electric eyes. You dip to the dive, baby, you'll realize. Baby, you'll see the funk inside of me. Baby, you'll see that rhythm is the key. Get with it, can't think, quit it. Stomp on the stoop when I hear funk blue. Playing pop pipe, follow her to shoot. Baby, just sing about the groove. Sing it.
The groove is in the heart. Groove is in the heart. Groove is in the heart. Groove is in the
Blow them on the lawn.
Groove is in the heart.
Groove is in the heart. Groove is in the heart. Groove is in the heart. Groove is in the heart.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce the hi-hat. Go on. That's good. Now the tambourine. Right now.
Y'all are great.
Woo! Yeah. DJ. Who's that gigolo on the street with his hands in his pockets hanging a buffalo stance. We do the dive every time we dance. I give you love, baby, not romance. I make a move, nothing left to chance. So don't you get fresh with me. Get funky. Yeah, Timmy. Tell it like it is. Go! Baby, check out this DJ.
Discrimination I can't stand.
I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no.
age of 9, I started to rhyme, and at the age of 10, I was rocking again. As I grew up and as I got older, I started to move my hips and then my shoulders, and now I'm rocking all over the nation, and that is my new occupation. I tried to get a job, but didn't manage, yo, and I can't stand it.
I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. Get funky.
But I'm back, not the whack, but jam and attack. I keep the people rocking from the front to back. Hollywood on the mic, I got the ladies uptight. Homeboys in the house, yo. They might just start up some shit to make everything legit. For anybody in the house who don't like it, fuck it, word, I'm on the go. I bust a rhyme and let it flow. Keep you moving to the beat, start the show.
I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no.
Have you forgotten that once we were brought here, we were robbed of our name, robbed of our language, we lost our religion, our culture, our God, and many of us, by the way we act, even lost our minds.
Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait no more. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait no more.
Well, I'm black and I'm proud. Excuse me, y'all, if I get loud. 40 people in the place, let's turn it out. So get on the floor without a doubt. They put me down, gave no slack, but that's alright because I'll be back. They tried to hold me back from making the fame, destroy my crew and to kill my name. But they made a mistake when they opened the cage, and now Hollywood is on the front page. I shocked the house from town to town, cause everybody wanna see the wood go down. But you won't believe what your eyes saw. Every move I make is down by law. I got a smooth body with a silky skin. I'm rapping to the ladies, I have to win.
I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no.
Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen,
Get funky. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. One more and more people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for. One more and more people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for. Free from desire, mind and senses purify it. Free from desire, mind and senses purify it. Free from desire, mind and senses purify it. Free from desire. Na 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 na
I am thinking of your voice.
These are the wages of love. I know, rock the cradle. These are the wages of love. Yeah, rock the cradle. Yeah, 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 yeah.
in Scatman's world.
I'm calling out from Scatland. I'm calling out from Scatman's world. If you wanna break free, you better listen to me. You've got to learn how to see in your fantasy. I'm calling out from Scatland. I'm calling out from Scatman's world. If you wanna break free, you better listen to me. You've got to learn how to see in your fantasy.
Everybody's talking something very shocking just to keep on blocking what they're feeling inside. But listen to me, brother, you just keep on walking, 'cause you and me and sister ain't got nothing to hide. Scat man, fat man, black and white and brown man, tell me about the color of your soul. If part of your solution isn't ending the pollution, then I don't want to hear your stories told. I want to welcome you to Scatman's world. Everybody's born to compete as he chooses, but how can someone win if winning means that someone loses? I sit and see and wonder what it's like to be in touch. No wonder all my brothers and my sisters need a crutch. I wanna be a human being, not a human doing. I couldn't keep that pace up if I tried. The source of my intention really isn't crime prevention. My intention is prevention of the lie. Yeah, welcome to the Scatman's world. I want to welcome you to Scatman's world.